Welcome, and thank you for joining. In today's session, we'll review JumpCloud's integration with Gong. With this integration, user and group creation, updates and deprovisioning all happen in JumpCloud, an open directory platform, and sync to Gong. Single sign-on, or SSO, can be configured, allowing users to log into Gong using their JumpCloud username and password. Let's take a look at the process for setting up the integration. From the Applications page in the JumpCloud admin portal, add a new application. Search for Gong. Make any changes you would like to the general information and save the application. Once saved, you can configure SCIM Identity Management and SSO. For Identity Management, go to the Identity Management tab and click Configure. Enter your Gong credentials and allow JumpCloud to read and provision users and groups. For SSO, go to the SSO tab and copy the metadata URL. From the company settings in the Gong admin console, select Authentication. JumpCloud can be configured as a sole authentication provider or one of many. From the Additional Authentication Providers dropdown, select the generic SAML SSO option. Paste the metadata URL that you copied from the JumpCloud admin portal. You can specify to where a user is redirected after logout. Click Update. Now you are ready to give users access to Gong from JumpCloud. Access is managed through group membership. Assign user groups you want created in Gong. Save the configuration. Then either manually add or use dynamic group rules to add users to the Gong groups in JumpCloud. Users and groups assigned to the Gong application in JumpCloud are immediately created in Gong. You can control permission settings at the group level in Gong as well. Let's see what the end user experiences. From the JumpCloud user console, a user can launch Gong. If there are multiple authentication providers configured, the user will have to enter their email address and choose Enterprise SSO, but they will not be asked to enter their password again. Changes made to a user's profile will automatically be reflected in Gong. Changes in a user's state will also be immediately reflected in Gong. When a user is suspended in JumpCloud or removed from all JumpCloud groups, they are automatically deactivated in Gong. Reactivating a suspended user in JumpCloud reactivates them in Gong. Deleting a user in JumpCloud will result in their deactivation in Gong. As you saw in the demo, there are many benefits to setting up the JumpCloud integration with Gong. Manual Gong user and Gong group management tasks are automated, saving an IT admin time and supporting organizations as they scale. End users use the same credentials to log into Gong as all their other assigned JumpCloud managed resources, reducing password fatigue. IT admins can centrally manage users and access in Gong from JumpCloud. They can automate Gong group membership changes based on user attributes using JumpCloud's dynamic groups. They can also ensure users are accessing Gong from a secure device. Finally, there are many security benefits provided by the integration. Users are immediately deactivated in Gong when suspended, unassigned from the Gong app, or deleted in JumpCloud. Access levels remain correct as users change groups and roles using dynamic groups. Automation reduces the risks related to human error, and policies allow admins to control from where and on what device users are accessing Gong and can step up authentication as needed. To learn more about this and other JumpCloud integrations, visit the Integrations page on the JumpCloud website.